Yeah, I think we are live. So, good afternoon, everyone, and a very warm welcome to you, Vinayak. I'm Piyush, and
Hello, Piyush.
I'm the training secretary for this tenure and host for today's session. On behalf of training committee, I extend a warm welcome to all of the students joining us for this session. Today, we are pleased to have with us Vinayak Agrawal, an alumni of NIT Rourkela from Civil Engineering Department, class of 2024. He is currently working as an assistant manager at Vedanta Limited in the Aluminium Business, and also he has previously interned at OBCC Odisha. So, Vinayak, since you have very recently gone through the same journey that many of our students are on right now, so we are really looking forward to hearing about your experiences and guidance for students who aspire to build career in the same core engineering sector. So, to begin with, Vinayak, could you please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your journey so far?
Sure. Thank you so much, Piyush, and training committee for having me here. I'm really glad to guide all my juniors. I'm currently working at Vedanta Limited. I'm an assistant manager in technical background. I did my schooling from my hometown, Satna, Madhya Pradesh. Then I went to Kota for 11th, 12th. Then I joined NIT Rourkela in civil engineering background, the Department of Civil Engineering, and I got placed in my final year in Vedanta Limited, and I'm working here now. That's it from my end.
Yeah. So, Vinayak, what initially drew you towards like core engineering, and how did you decide to pursue a career in the metals and manufacturing sector?
So, like any other kid, while preparing for JEE, I also wanted to go for EC or CSC background, but I didn't get the opportunity that time. So, like, I had options to go in core field, so I chose civil engineering because, I got initially drew towards civil engineering because, I very much got fascinated with the structures and the buildings. I used to travel too much with my family to different places. So, I had some initial interest in civil engineering, so I joined civil engineering as well as I joined civil engineering because it has many options. You can go for government jobs, you can go for private consultancy, you can join teaching background, teaching services, and also like it has many options. So I choose civil engineering as my uh, engineering department. And about the metals and manufacturing sector, I got placed in that sector. I didn't choose it personally. I've applied to two three sectors, then like I got opportunity in Vedanta Limited, so I joined here. So it was not like that I chose metals and manufacturing specifically.
Okay. So, during your college years, like how did your career goals evolve, and what helped you like connecting that civil engineering part with your current role?
So in my first year and second year, I didn't very much think about getting placed or getting internships. I was just learning the principles and the basic things behind civil engineering and all. Even like I was trying to get handy with some softwares like AutoCAD and StatPro. During my third year and fourth year, I got to know about the internships and placements. So I started focusing on subjects like RCC, geotechnical, and also these are the subjects that cover most of the part in the civil engineering. So the most of the questions that are being asked in internships and uh, uh, placements interview. So that's how I prepared for my placement. And about civil engineering, as I progressed through my BTech, I eventually getting good interest in the subjects, and also the labs played a very important part in me getting attracted to the civil engineering subjects.
Right. So, were there any books and online resources that were any specific certification also that genuinely helped you during your preparation phases?
So if like are you talking about the placement thing or like about the
Yeah,
exams and all?
the placement preparation phase.
So about placement, I didn't get any books or something but I was preparing for GATE,
Hmm.
so it helped me a bit. But you can if you want to sit for placements and internships, you can just go online and search top 100 questions what that are being asked in the interviews, and behind that you can do so your own research, the topic that are being asked repeatedly. You can have the you can go through truly through that topics, and what I'm trying to say is like whatever have 2 3 subjects like on your plate that you are very expert with, and prepare with that subject. Like like most of the interviews that I've seen, they will ask you what are your favorite subjects. So try to get handy with these subjects. Don't go too deep, but try to cover like most of the parts that like small questions that are being asked, factual questions. So that will sail you through the placements.
Okay. So, many of the students have this in mind, like what was the biggest difference you noticed between like what you have learned in the college and the industry actually expects from you, right? And for that matter, and what skills or hands-on knowledge should a second or third year student start building if they want to work in like large manufacturing or process industries?
So about that, like I want to make one thing very clear: the thing that we learn in a college and the thing that we do in industry are totally different. So like whatever we study, we apply it to our we apply the principles that we study to a certain extent, but like it is totally different. The closest that we do in our college is labs, the testings, the things that we learn in labs are the closest that we do in our college. But the thing is totally different. When you come to the industry, you learn like the how things really work, like how to handle pressure, how to get people to do the work, how to get different things done in the site. So it's totally different. And like if someone is really want to go in a core job, focus on the labs. They will tell you they will help you a bit, and just get your basics like strong enough that you don't face any problems while you're on site. So like basics are very important. Nothing like deep in the subject is being asked on site or in industry. You need your basics right.
Correct, correct. So, and how much do software tools like automations and data analysis tools matter in core engineering jobs today? Like, are there any tools or skills that students should definitely pick up? Are there any?
If you're a civil engineering student, just learn AutoCAD. It is very important. Learn Stat Pro as well. AutoCAD and Stat Pro will be very useful while you're in any industry. In like if even if you are in a like designing industry, even if you are in construction industry, AutoCAD will always help you, as well as Stat Pro will help you. And if you are like a person who is more inclined towards research purpose, learn MATLAB and learn ANSYS as well. And about like mechanical and people, I'll say SolidWorks will do the work. So learn SolidWorks. And see in each company or each industry, whenever you will go, they will teach you the software. But having prerequisite knowledge when you are while you are studying in college will help you a bit.
So, when it comes to internships or projects, what do you think like really stands out to recruiters in core engineering companies?
So, when you will be in your final year, you'll get an option to choose a project or choose thesis. I'll say
Hmm.
if you are going for a job or any research purpose, choose project, because that project will help you. And when you are doing that project, don't just like do it for the sake of marks or the grades. Uh, do it like you actually want to do it, and just know everything about it, everything behind it. And so like projects will projects unlike the things in CSC and ESC, you don't need to do multiple projects. One project would be enough. And what was your question again? Can you
Like
repeat,
when it
please?
comes to internship or projects, what really stand out to recruiters in core engineering
Yeah.
companies?
So I
Is there
talked
any?
about the
Yeah.
projects and the internship. Like any internship will do, but like whatever you are doing, just know about it. What you are doing, like even if you are going in a PWD department, just know
Hmm.
that if they are building a road, if it is a flexible payment or rigid payment, just know about it. What are the layers there? How they are doing it? What are the specifications? What are the materials? And just go to an internship, do an internship, even in your second year and third year. That will help you. Just know about what you are doing.
Yeah, right. So, coming to the resume part, which is most important in anyone's profile. So, how did you shape your resume to fit core engineering roles? Like, are there any common mistakes students should avoid while preparing theirs?
Don't fill up your resume with like fake things. uh, don't put like unnecessary things. uh, Put a valid project or valid internship there. Put valid marks on and valid software that you have learned already, and valid things only. Don't sugarcoat it, because whoever is coming for interview, they have like much experience, like more experience than you in taking interviews. So you can't actually fool them. So be prepared. Like it doesn't matter if you have like if you know one software less from other people. Just be confident whatever you learn and whatever you know.
Right. And what about certifications in the resume? Uh,
You can get certain certifications on Udemy and Coursera, and you can definitely go through those specifications. They generally help, but they won't make much difference in placement selection or anything else. You can do that. It's beneficial, like for yourself, in your
hmm.
knowledge perspective.
Right. So, could you share a bit about your internship at OBCC Odisha? Like, it's a prestigious organization, and your work at Vedanta
Yeah.
Limited. Like, what kind of real-world engineering
So
problems do you get on to work? Like, first, let's go to talk about the internship at OBCC.
sure. So I got selected in OBCC through my college only. I didn't apply anywhere else. Like I applied through the training committee and the placement committee. I got into OBCC. I was working in Puri, Odisha, for 2 months. Uh, like there, I was placed in a project where we were constructing a G+5 story building, and like it had like many things. Like at the time I was there, they were doing the geotech things. Like they were building the uh, footings and all. So they were doing pile footings and all. So it was very interesting. It was the first time I saw like a pile footing being done on site. And like two more projects were there. Like a bridge was being constructed, I saw that also. So like it was the first time I got to know about the site, how site works, how people do work there, and like what are the principles that we need to apply on site. So like if you really get a like opportunity to do some internships at a government site like OBCC, Pollution Control Board, Water Resource Department, PWD, surely you can go. They definitely are doing great works there, and that will like help you much in your like industry knowledge and all.
Okay, yeah. And what about your Vedanta Limited?
So
What kind of
currently like
real-world? Yeah.
So currently, I'm working in Vedanta. I'm working as a civil engineer in like tailing dams. Tailing dam is a field where where you deal with the wastewater that is being invested by that is being generated by the industry. So like what we do is we build embankments around we build embankments, we build ponds, and we then fill up the ponds with the waste material. So it is like totally it is geotechnical. Nothing else is there. So like I look after monitoring, construction, maintenance, all three three all three things of the tailing management. So in construction, I look after like construction of new dams and all. Maintenance, I look after like uh, like if the dike is stable or not, if the embankment is stable or not, if it needs any corrections or not. And monitoring is like we monitor if any deviation is there, if the dike is moving or not. So like that is the profile that I'm working on.
Right. So, like looking back, are there any mistakes you made early on that you think current students can learn from?
So yeah, so like the mistake that I did during my placement season was like I was very much worried that no company is coming and all my friends are getting placed earlier than me. So be patient. Like in core sector, all core sector like core like civil, chemical, mechanical, like the companies come late, like around October, November. So like be patient. Just focus on your studies. Be prepared, and whenever a company comes, don't think like everyone is not placed. Like be patient, just like be confident, and have your 2 3 subjects prepared, and like just like it will sail you through.
Hmm. Right. So, like during any tough or uncertain phases, like how do you stay motivated and focused on your goal?
Like I said, during my placement season, I got very worried that all my friends are getting placed earlier than me. So like Initially I was very worried, like I was like totally out of my mind, but eventually I knew ki, like I would get placed, I would get some opportunity. So what I'm trying to say is like just stay focused, like do whatever you are doing. Don't like at that time I started thinking about analytics and like softwares also, so a software field also. So don't do that. If you have selected that you are going like you want to do something in your core background, just do that. At the end you will get placed. All of my friends that plan to do something in core engineering got placed at that time. So don't worry, you will get placed.
So yeah, as we are approaching towards the end of this session, I want to ask like for students who want to enter this core engineering roles, what would you suggest as a step-by-step journey from college basics to industry exposure? Like, can you uh, say something about that?
Sure. So, like when you are in your first year, try to get to know about like everything. Like try analytics, try core, try software, try everything. Then decide in the second year you need to decide what you want to do. So if you wanna do analytics, just study about that, and like study civil or any core background just to uh, like get past the grade system, and like focus on your analytics or software. And if you want to do something in civil, start focusing on gate, because like once you start preparing for gate, it helps you to understand subjects. Like it will get you through like it can offer you PSUs, it can offer you MTech, it can offer you good placements and all. So focus on gate, and like in your third year you will know like if you really want to do it or not. So like just like stay focused, don't get too much deviated about this and that. People will get internship sometimes. Like see like even like I didn't get any internship in a very much bigger company. Like I got into OBCC, that too from my college. So don't get worried that people are getting paid. Like my internship was unpaid, so I did my unpaid internship for 2 months. So like don't be shaken by the like thing that my friends are getting placed and all. So this is an actual thing which happens at the place I have been through. Most of the people are being are might be going through it. So don't be shaken by that, just stay focused. Past your third year you will know like the final year will come. Like study what you are studying already, prepare for gate if you want to do gate, and that's all. Like it will it will mostly like most of the people get placed if they follow this.
Right. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this today's session. If anyone having any question, please drop in the chat box. So yeah, one
So
thing
how?
also, Vinayak, yeah, one thing I
Yeah,
wanted to ask, like whether doing research in our project time, like publishing, will that work? Like, will that help
yeah,
during
surely.
placement?
No, during placement I can't say that, but like
Hmm.
if you have a paper published in your name, it will surely help you if you wanna go for masters, and
Hmm.
if you're gonna go for MTech. So like
Hmm.
that really helps, but I don't think like that really helps in placement. But like yeah, it will be a plus point for you. Like it will a very like good point and a brownie point for your CV.
Right. So it seems there are no questions.
So how many people are watching this stream? Like do we have like 20 plus people or not?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Sure, so I'm gonna check like how many people were there. Like,
So it seems like there are no questions. Yeah, the Jitendriya is asking any recommendation for out-campus score.
to be really honest, I also tried for off out or like out like it's not called out campus, it's called off campus. So I really tried for off campus, but for core, sadly there are no like uh, good opportunities. Like they will offer you like jobs, but you won't take it. Like the salary will be very less, the location would be very off. So like for core, sadly there are no like, great options. Like, and if you are very lucky, you can fetch one. But I would like, for me, like there were very like less options.
Okay. Okay, so I feel like there are no more questions. So, yeah, Vinayak, this has truly been an highly informative and insightful interaction. The journey and experiences you shared will certainly help our students gain clarity while making important career and placement decisions. So, on behalf of the training committee and all the students present here, I would like to sincerely thank you for taking out your time and sharing such valuable insights with us. With this,
Thank
I
you
would
so
like to
much, Piyush.
formally conclude this today's session. Thank you, Vinayak, and thank you everyone for joining us.
Thank you.
Yeah.